Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Helix. If you're struggling to do pull-ups, then this is the perfect video for you. We're going to be going over different back exercises to build that strength and that technique for you to be able to do that perfect pull-up that you're looking for. So before we get started, please hit that like and subscribe button and let's begin. We're going to start with Australian pull-ups. Australian pull-ups are perfect because anyone can do them really, and all it requires is a low bar, preferably one that's on where your hips are at, or a dip bar, a higher dip bar. We're going to do different variations: a wide shoulder width, closed grip, and underhand grip of Australian pull-ups. So let's get started with a wide grip. You want to go as wide as you can without breaking your form. Remember, when you're doing this, you don't want to have your hips too low or too high. You want them straight. So now we're going to do shoulder width. Same thing, you want to keep your back and your hips straight. So now we're going to do a closed grip, and for each of these variations of Australian pull-ups, you're going to want to do between 3 to 4 sets of maybe 10 to 15 reps, especially if you're getting started. So same thing goes for this closed grip. And now we're going to be doing underhand Australian pull-ups. And you may notice that as you're getting closer and closer, you're also going to feel that core be working as well. And that's just the nature with calisthenics, is that you may be working on one muscle group, but it tends to be working out 2 or 3 or more. So when you're doing overhand, the primary muscle tends to be the back, and when you're doing underhand, the primary muscle tends to be the bicep. So underhand, primary would be bicep, secondary would be back. Overhand will be primary back, secondary bicep. So now we're going to be doing another set of pull-ups. So now we're going to be doing jumping pull-ups. With these, you're going to want to be able to do as many as you can, preferably between 10 to 12 if possible. And it's really what it is, it's just jumping pull-ups. It's not an actual full-on pull-up, so jump into it, go as high as you can, and then bring yourself down. And it'll look something like this. So now what we're going to be doing is adding eccentric movements to the workouts, which is basically the negative of that workout. So for example, whether it's a push or pull motion, I'm going to do the opposite of that. So if I'm doing in this case, this workout is called a jumping negative pull-up. We're going to pull ourselves up or jump into pull-up position and then slowly release that tension. And that's what we're mainly focused about, and not so much pulling ourselves over the bar. So it'll look something like this. And that was the eccentric movement of the workout. So with that being said, if you just continue to do this over and over and over, 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps, you'll see yourself being able to get better at doing those pull-ups. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and leave some comments down below and see how we could help you guys out. Until next time.